Delta State Governor Sheriff Oborevwori has called for the introduction of whistleblowing to check poor projects delivery in the state. Governor Oborevwori made the call during an interactive meeting with permanent secretaries, directors and heads of ministries, departments and agencies at Government House at the state capital on Wednesday. Oborevwori thanked the civil servants for their loyalty, support, commitment and dedication to duty. He said the meeting, which was the third, became necessary following reports on some civil servants, including with contractors, to default the state through poorly executed projects. According to the governor, 2 engineers have been suspended for certifying uncompleted projects for payment and that the decision was necessary to serve as a deterrent for others. Quest correspondent Charles Kosipri reports that Oborevwori also appealed to them to be committed, dedicated, accountable, transparent and loyal in their service to their state.
I call this meeting because we want to advance Delta. In advancing Delta to the more agenda, we must give the best to our people. And when I came in, all what people need, all, I use the word all. I don't want to repeat myself because I'm in this seat now for almost 19 months. And I know that people are actually happy. Are people not happy? Yes. But if you are happy and people who are not civil servants, who are not public servants and are not happy, will you be happy? No. A superior engineer will issue a certificate for a job that has not been completed. And the job will be paid. And you, superior engineer, you'll be happy. And the people in that area will suffer. You like it? No. During my course of my inspection of projects, because we have a lot of projects that have been awarded before I came, and also the ones I also initiated. Like I promised that no project will be abandoned. But we must get value for money. Value for what? Money. In getting value for this money, you must see that in as much I'm paying you, I'm not owing you. Your certificate are not delayed. Once you get your certificate, I pay you. You must also give me quality job. Where in the BEME, they say use 12 mm. Sorry. They say use 12 mm. First go and use 8 mm. Is it good? No. So when I discovered that bad work, issuing a certificate of completion when the job has not been completed, where they said you put a binder and wearing course, they will put the binder. The wearing course, which is top of the wearing course, you will not put it and you are collecting money. And on the spot, I directed that those involved should be issued a query.